It's such a big day, guys. It's such a big day. Alright, here goes. Whoa! Kamen Rider! Freezing Bear! I love the Freezing Bear. He is my favorite. That looks like Japanese right there. But that looks like Korean. I don't know. I don't know the difference. We'll try to figure it out by the end of the episode. Hey guys, so I've been looking up a bunch of stuff trying to get you to understand what Kamen Rider is. It's like Power Rangers, but it's that, I don't know, man. Maybe some other time I'll look it up and try to really explain it to you. But for now, what we got here, I've been looking up the boxes, okay? So here's the box. This is the box that I got. And they're pretty close together, alright? Like, you look at the name, okay, but this one says 04. I think that's because it comes with 4 of them. But for the most part, like, mine ends to, like, it's spelled the same. Okay? Don't mess with me. But then this website has the actual, what I have right now. And now you can see it right there, and it's spelled the same, everything looks the same, and it says, I'll let you get another second to look at it. Alright, says right here, brand Japanese Bandai. I'm pretty sure we're all good. Here's Freezing Bear, looked them up online, that way you could see. So I really like how it's a transparent plastic. That's why I chose Freezing Bear. He's cool, man. He's cool, literally. Look at this fan art. That's pretty hot. And like I said, you can see the transparent in the plastic. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Gorgeous. Goddamn pornographic, maybe. Alright. Let's go. So, when it arrived, it was like this. Like, folded. So I had to unfold it, whatever. I was seeing things where, like, if it was the ripoff, like a fake one, that I would have to put the sticker on myself. I think. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. Dun 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 dun. Just 01. On this side shows you can load it in the gun or in the belt driver. You know, they're both based. Put them on your belly. Hey, I'm transforming guy. Days. I don't think I gotta put the stickers on myself. Look. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, I think. How you do it? Okay, well, first we remove. And now does it go? Bah! What?
Polar Bear's ability. Polar Bear's ability.
And then you'd enter it in the belt and say, "Hey, she," you put it in, and then I transform, and then I become the belt guy. I become him, dude. Transformation. Hey, you gotta put it like this. There you go. Now you can see. You can see how transparent it is. It's beautiful, right? Here's the box. I can't zoom out the camera. It's a wide lens. It's a really zoomed in. Yeah, that's Kamen Rider. You saw the front up enough. Ease the back a little bit. We've established this is an official Japanese one, especially because I didn't have to put the stickers on. It's pretty cute. Now I gotta get the. Now I gotta get the transformation belt so I can become Polar Bear. What's 5 minutes? Alright. Here's the sounds more.
Polar Bear's ability. Polar Bear. Polar Bear's ability.
Is that it?
Polar Bear. Polar Bear's ability.
I think so. Back, side, back, front, side, side. Hey. Here we go. Hey. This is what the guy in the show does. He says, "You're never gonna beat me. I've got a dream, and I'm gonna save this world." It makes cracking sounds and stuff, because he's a badass, you know. That's the secondary guy, you know, the Vegeta to the Goku. Hey, but now, on to the second thing. We got this bad boy. Hey, you get the whole ensemble. I like the way it came packaged. That's why it made me have the idea. So it's like, damn, this is a quality package. It was like, I want to save the package, but I also got to play with these toys. Alright, well, first of all, it's the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, super quality packaging. Switch it. Now you can see. I don't actually work at Planet Fitness, guys. I once worked at Planet Fitness. These are my PJs now. So, I don't endorse Planet Fitness, really. I don't know. This is my day. I'm just hanging out and got the package, you know. Said, let's do an unboxing for the Pokemon channel. You know, my Pokemon channel's pretty cursed. You're lucky if I even got anything on it at all. Besides, it's not Pokemon related, but it's Kamen Rider! Front. I didn't do enough looking on this one to see if it's the Japanese one or not. I mean, it has the same kind of words as, like, the symbols are kind of the same looking. Yeah. Well, no, if I have to put stickers on the thing. Mostly, I didn't care if this one was Japanese because I got it for this case where you could put all of these in it. Slip them in their slots. So I figured, hey man, if it's a ripoff, who cares? It's all good if it's a ripoff, because it's just for the housing, you know? It's just so that I got a place to put them and store them. Oh man, that wasn't that tight. Why is it so tight? Holy golly gee, dude. It's in there. I mean, like, you guys think I was exaggerating. I was being serious. I want to throw the box, but it's an unboxing. I'm used to the Pokemon videos where I could just rip open the package, toss the package behind, job well done, you know? Well, with these, I'm like, you wanna see the box? Is this cool? Guys, we're here for the unboxing, and there's the thing. Okay, here's how it is in the package. What is unboxing? Well, that's pretty taped in there. Side taped. Got it. It's taped 3 ways. Folded bag. Is this part of the unboxing interesting? Where's the tape locations? That's the fun thing about YouTube. You get the little skip buttons. You know, I like the addition that they made where you just hold it and you start talking fast, double speed. I use it all the time, guys. The key, the storage, the bag. Cool. Transform! Henshin! Just like the show. Okay, so here's the thing. I figure we should keep going with the box opening so that you can compare. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Got like a little handle. They show it in the show. I should probably look that up. I'm looking it up. I tried to find a picture, but there's not a picture. So I gotta actually look up on the Kamen Rider on the show. You guys lucky. Just do it for you. But hey, we're getting on with the review though. Opening the next thing. The show's on. I didn't want that.
Which one of Steve's pockets is closest to his head? Is it one of the side pockets?
Always an official, because like I said, we don't got no stickers. Remove the button.
The top pocket. Okay.
We got Hercules. Strong.
Hercules Beetle's ability. Strong. Hercules Beetle's ability.
Work detectors. All right.
That's him right there. That's an x-ray of a beetle for sure. Go. Hey, shit. Alright, I'm gonna go find what this is on the show. I don't know, guys. I'm having such a hard time finding when they use this in the show, because it's literally just this thing that sits on the side of the wall that they just stash the stuff in. But while this episode loads, I'm gonna put the stuff in the thing. That's why we got 2 of them. Alright, I'm gonna go with the order that they have on here, where they have the bear first. I have the bear, so I can put the bear first, you know? Hey, you wanna make sure we got all the looks? Alright, that's Jin, that's Hirobi, alright, that's Yaiba, that's Fua, that's Arito. He's the president. He's the president of the company. He's the company guy. Hey, yo, here's the instructions. It says, insert in 2 thing. 4 of them. Insert. Oh, I could read all of this. It says, insert, insert, insert. And activate to the belt. One day I'll get the belt, guys, and we'll see. Because now I know we got the Japanese ones. We're just taking off. Alright, let's insert and see what happens. We got the other side. Yeah, we got the other side. Same 3 guys from the front. Box. Stop. That's the thing I got. This the CAD. Alright, there you go. That's good. Oh no. This direction. Facing up, obviously. Big moment.
Okay, so
Big moment.
it looks like the first thing we need for our thinking chair rocket ship
Wow!
is for our rocket blaster.
Doesn't even fall. It's like it was made for it.
What do you think we could use for our cylinder-shaped
That's pretty
rocket
smooth.
blasters?
That's pretty dang satisfying. That's pretty dang satisfying. Because it's got all these mechanics going on in the middle.
Perfect rocket blaster.
Let's go again. Put in Hercules.
Okay.
I had to activate the strong to get it in. It's pretty nice. Get two more. I'll be stunting on all the street kids. It's a big day. It's a big day. Alright, here a new key was made.
構築を完了しました。新型プログライズキーができました。回収してきます。
なんでしょうね、この胸騒ぎ。
Right there. Right there. See, they'd be right there. That's where they are. You can see them, kind of. I don't think it's gonna. I think that's the end of it. I mean, hey, you can see, even if it is the end, you can see how the keys are used.
俺の成長には勝てん。ここまで。
ユイズ、
They got a new key.
新型キーできたんだな。待て、アルト君、これの方がいい。
新しいキーでなくては敵のランニングは上回れません。
よし。
Shining Jump!
おお、ピッカピカの抜擢だ。
Progrize! Powered by adding to bonus. Darkness fades.
Hey, go, that's the end of the episode. Hooray! Yay! I'm sorry I didn't find when this thing was used, guys. But you're just gonna have to watch the show, because this is the end of the episode. Thanks for chilling with me. That's a once a year kind of video, because I don't post anymore other than that. This is a cursed channel. You're lucky I got anything on it at all. All peace and a bottle of Hercules. May the force be with you and keep on keeping on, I guess. I don't know. I love you all. You special people to me. Just felt the need to add. I bought it from Amazon. So I was mostly testing if the Amazon ones were Korean or Japanese. They say that the Korean ones are rip-offs, or the Chinese ones are. I don't know, man. Go other people got it. I just wanted to see if I'd get the rip-offs by buying them from Amazon. I just bought 2 from Amazon. I paid $12 for the bear off Amazon. So I definitely was expecting the rip-off and did not get the rip-off. So test successful.